नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और बात करते हैं कि AIBRF ने एक पत्र ब्रजेश्वर शर्मा सीनियर एडवाइजर IBA को लिखा। संबंध था कि जो रिकवरी कम्यूटेड पोर्शन ऑफ पेंशन का 10 साल में होना है, जिसके लिए कोर्ट ने इंटरिम रिलीफ दिया है। पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट ने उन सभी पेंशनर्स को जो 10 साल से अधिक कम्यूटेड वैल्यू ऑफ पेंशन का पेमेंट कर रहे थे, उनको रिलीफ प्रदान किया है जो भी कोर्ट में गए थे। और इस संबंध में AIBRF ने ब्रजेश्वर शर्मा को पत्र लिखा। वी विश टू इनवाइट योर काइंड अटेंशन ऑन आवर लेटर डेटेड 8 July 24 with the request to consider advising member banks not to recover monthly installment of commuted value from the eligible pensioner in terms of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court order dated 31st May 24 passed in the writ petition number. As per the above order, stay on recovery of commuted value has been granted to those who have already paid monthly installment for 10 years and above. Since passing of the above referred order to Honorable High Court, we find that several more pensioners numbering more than 300 who have already paid installments for recovery of commuted amount for 10 years and more have approached to the court, and Honorable High Court have invariably granted stay on further recovery to these petitioners. We also find that several banks like Union Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Central Bank and other banks have stopped recovery in case of these petitioners in compliance of the court order, and these banks have communicated in writing to the concerned pensioner to this effect. It may be mentioned that as per the court order, which have a stipulated period of 10 years for securing stay, the following mentioned pensioners are eligible for stay. First, retirees who have retired between 2009 to 2014 and have availed commutation facility during this period. Bank B, who have already paid monthly installment for more than 10 years and less than 15 years. C, number of such pensioner is estimated around 60 to 70,000. In case all eligible pensioners approach to the court for stay, you will kindly agree that it may create several practical administrative problems for bank management as well as for individual retirees. In view of the above developments, it is our humble request to you consider advising member banks to stop recovery of monthly installment in the cases where it has already been paid for 10 years and less than 15 years. This will save all parties from lot of hassles. With respectful regard, श्री SC जैन। AIBRF ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि चूंकि हमारे पेंशनर स्टे के लिए जाएंगे, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रॉब्लम बैंक को फेस करना पड़ेगा, तो क्यों नहीं हम उन सभी एलिजिबल केसेस में बैंकों को एडवाइजरी जारी करके रिकवरी स्टॉप कराएं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।